So if you're planning on buying a tractor to take care of your property, and if there's even a glimmer of a chance that you might do some gardening, this should be the first implement you think about purchasing. This is our 4-foot Better Agro 3-point tiller, and it is my favorite implement. And if I had to start it over, this would be the first implement I would buy. This beautiful dusty piece of machinery is our Yanmar YM2000 diesel tractor. So we have 4 implements that we use to take care of our property. The first that came with our tractor is a 4-foot brush mower, or if you're from my neck of the woods, we just call them all bush hogs. The second implement that we purchased was a set of 3-point pallet forks to go on the back of our tractor that we hardly ever use. The other implement that we own is a 4-foot Land Pride box blade that we got for a really sweet deal. And then we have this, and this is my favorite. If I had to get rid of every implement that I own but one, this would be the one that I would keep. This would be the last implement that I get rid of, and there's several reasons for that. This is the best implement you can have for breaking new ground in the spring and putting your garden to bed in the late fall. Second reason this is the best tool for the job is it's a time saver. So this 3-point tiller is 4 foot. Now they come in different lengths. This is 4 foot. They come in 5 foot and even 6 foot widths if you have a little bit bigger tractor. Our Yanmar is 20 horse tractor, and it pulls this little 4-foot tiller just fine. And the width is just right for our tractor. It is just as wide as our tractor, which means that the tire tracks get covered up. We don't have to offset or anything like that. So if you go and you're looking for a rear tine tiller, most rear tine tillers are going to be on the biggest side, between 16 inches and 20 inches wide. Our Coop Cadet rear tine tiller that we've had for many years is the tine width is 16 inches. It's 20, I think it's 20 inches overall, but the actual working width is 16 inches. This is 48. For every 1 pass that we make with this tool would take 3 passes with the little tiller. And if you're like us, we both have full-time jobs. If there's a way we can do the job quicker and easier, we're going to do it. This tiller cost us about $1,500. It is not a name brand tiller. It is an off-brand tiller, but it does a great job, and it saves a ton of time. So the third reason you should pick up one of these is because the power of this is unmatched by any small rear tine tiller. The power to break up hard ground. We got a lot of clay soil in our area. Power of this thing to break up hard ground is great. It is much more powerful than our little 6-horse rear tine Coop Cadet over here. The fourth reason you should buy this is the bed that this creates is unmatched by anything that we have seen. This creates the most beautiful garden bed that I have ever seen. I mean, it just makes you want to get in it and play in it. So that's enough talking. How about we see this thing in action? Most beautiful garden bed you'll ever see. All this rich organic material in here. There's goat manure, there's chicken manure, there is bedding in here, composted bedding, and it is rich soil, and I can't wait to get something planted in it. That's everything for today. I'll see you on the next one, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.